Welcome to your Strategic Edge in Analytics. I'm Shaun Davis, your host. Data teams run on trust. Without it, you're dead in the water. But here's the good news. You can reset that trust in just 2 weeks. I'll show you how. If it feels like every number your team delivers is wrong, here are the common culprits. Stagnation. A platform fades into the noise. Leaders stop paying attention. Your team loves the quiet, but it's a red flag. Business change. New regulations, new leadership, or a reorg. Disruption creates doubt. And technical debt. Quick fixes pile up until your architecture turns messy and brittle. Any reset plan has to be measured. For 2 weeks, track 3 things. How many times multiple sources of truth pop up? How often customers catch surprises before you do? And how much time you spend fixing bugs versus building. Week 1 is about stability and transparency. Start with a 90-minute truth meeting. Ask one question. Do you trust the data we provide? Set the context. Listen to examples. Capture action items. Close by owning the low trust environment. From that meeting, build your action plan. Categorize what gets done this week, within 2 weeks, and within 2 months. Then, double every time estimate. Under-promise, but over-deliver. Each morning, report progress. Document your entire data flow. Make it public and visible. Week 2 is about building momentum. Do a 15-minute pulse check with your loudest critics. Ask, did last week's actions increase or decrease trust? Run a consistency meeting. Choose one metric and lock its definition with both business and data owners. And send a recap video. Show what's changed. Show that a metric matches across systems. Keep going. Repeat the pulse checks until critics become promoters. Keep consistency meetings until your definitions are locked. Send recap videos for 3 weeks straight. Trust is fragile, hard to earn, easy to lose. But with truth, transparency, and accountability, you can rebuild it. Now, let's get building.